In the previous video I made a few mistakes. Sorry. In the previous video I made a few mistakes while loading the film with a small camera. So I decided while I'll be loading the real film, I will show you how it's done correctly now. And kinda, I'm not sure yet about it myself actually, because I'm not sure about that small slider on the back here, if that should be pressed once or twice. So let's just find out it. Yeah, to open the back of that camera, you need just to pull that lever here and press those two things on the side of the back. So back now is detached and we can move that slider back, and now we have the back opened. So now we need to pull that knob to the top here and open the pull up the film holder to the top. Yeah, like that. And now we can place in the spool and return back the knob and insert that into the position here. It should go a little bit. Yeah, seems like, yeah, now it is in. It should be deep down into the spool. No free space should be between the knob and the top plate here, so be careful. Okay, now we can take one roll of my favorite film, Kodak Portra 400 here, and just place it here into the film holder on the right. Yeah, probably I will also clean my lens a bit here, just to be sure I have no dust or something on that. And now I can just pull roll of film to the left and start rolling. We should roll until we have that beautiful black arrow like here. Now we can close. Yeah. And after that, after we closed everything, we need to open the red window here and take a look at the red window now. Yeah, so we see the arrow here, so the one will appear soon. Yeah, and here it is. Now we can close. Yeah, and in the previous video I actually clicked twice on that button on the back here. We have one more similar button on the front plate here, on the front side. So basically, to start shooting, we need to click this slider on the back here one time, and notice that this film counter will just switch to 1. Click, and that's it. We are now on our first frame, and we cannot move the scrolling up here, so we cannot scroll the film, it's locked. And therefore now we can start shooting, and to shoot further we will use only the knob, the slider on the front here, which will unlock our scrolling up, and we will be able to scroll the film. So basically, after I will shoot my first frame, I will just click that to the right and scroll the film using the knob, and that's it. And after clicking this one, I will see this counter incremented here. So that's basically it, and I'm ready to shoot tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you. See you.